Hello, and welcome. Let's get straight to it. The energy around you is more powerful than you can imagine. You have the ability to manipulate it, shape it, and use it to create the events you want to experience in your life. But how do you do that? How do you tap into this unseen force, the energy that flows through everything, and direct it to create quantum shifts in your reality? It's simpler than most believe. Everything is energy. You, me, the people you meet, the world around you, it's all vibrating at different frequencies. And when you learn to harness and manipulate this energy, you can influence the events that unfold in your life. This isn't some far-fetched concept or theory, it's a fundamental law of the universe. The first thing you need to understand is that your thoughts, your feelings, and your beliefs are what shape the energy around you. Imagine for a moment that your thoughts are like signals being sent out into the universe. These signals, powered by your emotions, create ripples in the fabric of reality. When you focus your energy on something with intensity, you begin to attract events, people, and situations that align with your energy. It's all about tuning your frequency to match what you want to manifest. Think of it like adjusting a radio dial to find the right station. If you're focused on fear or doubt, you'll attract more of the same. But when you focus on what you truly desire, when you align your energy with your intentions, you start to shift your reality. So, how do you start this process? The first step is to become aware of your current energy. Take a moment and ask yourself, how do I feel right now? Are you stressed, anxious, or excited, hopeful, and calm? The energy you carry with you is reflected in the world around you. If you want to create quantum events, the first thing you need to do is change your internal state. Your energy is the starting point for everything. To manipulate your energy, begin by consciously choosing your thoughts. Become aware of what you're thinking. If your thoughts are filled with negativity or worry, you are projecting those vibrations into your reality. Your mind is a powerful tool that can either create or destroy. When you change the way you think, you change the way you feel, and ultimately, you change the way the world responds to you. A simple but powerful practice is to focus on gratitude. When you focus on the things you're grateful for, no matter how small, you elevate your vibration. Gratitude is a high-frequency energy, and it attracts more things to be grateful for. It's impossible to feel negative when you're in a state of gratitude. The key is consistency. Make it a habit to reflect on your blessings, and you'll notice the shifts in your life. The next thing you must do is set clear intentions. Be specific about what you want. The universe responds to clarity. If you send out mixed signals, you'll receive mixed results. But when you are clear and focused on your desires, you create a powerful energy field around you that begins to shape the events in your life. The more specific you can get, the better. For example, if you want financial abundance, instead of saying, I want more money, say, I am attracting opportunities for financial growth and prosperity. The universe doesn't deal in vague ideas, it works best when you are precise. One of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal is your imagination. When you close your eyes and imagine your life as you want it to be, you are creating new neural pathways in your mind that align with that reality. Imagination is not just a fantasy or a dream, it is a powerful tool that helps you manifest your desires. When you vividly imagine an event as if it's already happening, your body and mind begin to believe it is real. This belief sends out a signal to the universe, aligning your energy with your desired outcome. The next step is to embody the feeling of already having what you desire. This is where many people get stuck. They think that they will feel better once they have what they want, but the key to creating quantum shifts in your reality is to feel good now. When you act as if you already have what you want, you are in alignment with the energy of that desire. This is how you manipulate your energy to create quantum events. If you want a loving relationship, for example, begin to feel the joy and peace as if you are already in that relationship. If you want financial abundance, feel the excitement and security as if the money is already in your bank account. Your emotions are the fuel that powers the energy to create change. Now, let's talk about something even deeper, the power of belief. Your beliefs are the lens through which you view the world, and they shape your reality. If you believe that you are worthy of success, love, and abundance, you will find evidence of it in your life. If you believe that you are not good enough or that success is only for others, then your reality will reflect those beliefs. The key to changing your reality is to shift your beliefs. This can be done through affirmations, visualization, and consciously choosing to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Another crucial aspect of manipulating your energy is to trust the process. You must let go of control and trust that the universe is working in your favor. The more you try to control how and when things will happen, the more you block the natural flow of energy. Trusting the process means knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, and when the time is right, your desires will manifest. This trust creates a powerful vibration that attracts what you want without the need for struggle or force. A powerful way to amplify your energy and speed up the manifestation process is through the use of affirmations. Repeating positive, empowering statements about yourself and your life sends out a clear signal to the universe. Affirmations help to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing old limiting beliefs with new, more supportive ones. As you repeat these affirmations, your energy shifts, and your reality begins to change. For example, if you want to manifest health and vitality, affirm, "I am healthy, strong, and full of energy." The repetition of these words, coupled with the belief that they are true, helps to align your energy with your desires. As you work to manipulate your energy, be mindful of your surroundings. The people you spend time with, the environments you place yourself in, and the media you consume all influence your energy. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting influences that support your growth and your desires. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity or people who drain your energy, it will be harder for you to create the shifts you want. Seek out people and environments that inspire you, that encourage you to be your best self, and that help you to maintain a high vibration. You must also be patient with the process. Understand that energy takes time to move and manifest. Just because you can't see immediate results doesn't mean that things aren't shifting behind the scenes. The universe is always responding to your energy, even if you don't see the evidence right away. Trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, and don't give up just because things aren't showing up as quickly as you want. Now, let's take a moment to talk about a concept that is often misunderstood: detachment. It's important to be detached from the outcome while still being focused on your desire. What this means is that you should not be overly attached to how things will unfold or when they will unfold. When you're too attached, you create resistance, and that resistance blocks the flow of energy. Instead, focus on the feeling of already having what you want and let go of any attachment to how it will come to you. This detachment allows the universe to work its magic and bring your desires to you in unexpected ways. You also have the power to amplify your energy by practicing self-love. When you love and accept yourself completely, you align with the highest vibration. Self-love is the foundation of all manifestation because when you love yourself, you believe that you deserve all the good things life has to offer. Take time each day to practice self-love through affirmations, meditation, or simply by taking care of your body and mind. The more love you give to yourself, the more love you attract into your life. In the end, it all comes down to this: you are a powerful being capable of shaping your reality. By learning to manipulate your energy, you unlock the ability to create the life you desire. It all starts with you, your thoughts, your beliefs, and your emotions. When you consciously direct your energy, the universe has no choice but to respond. Trust yourself. Trust the process. And watch as your energy creates the quantum events that will shape your reality in ways you never thought possible.